Welcome friends, please subscribe this channel. In this video we are going to see what is economic order quantity and how it impacts on inventory cost. Okay, economic order quantity is to minimize the inventory cost. Okay, so how we can easily understand it? For that we have to take quantity as a x-axis and annual cost as a y-axis. Okay, there is two type of cost are involved. One is carrying cost or holding cost. Okay, carrying cost or holding cost. Another one is ordering cost. Okay, ordering cost per order. Okay, whenever the quantity increased, holding cost or carrying cost to maintain the inventory also get increased. Okay, whenever the quantity increased, carrying cost or holding cost also increased, and but when the quantity increased, order cost is decreased. Okay, order cost is decreased. So total cost equal to carrying cost or holding cost plus ordering cost. Okay, holding cost or carrying cost plus ordering cost per order, holding cost per item per year. Okay, but these two costs are in inverse relation. Okay, so at particular quantity total cost will be minimized. At particular quantity total cost will be minimized. That quantity is known as economic order quantity. Okay, that quantity is known as economic order quantity. So at economic order quantity the inventory cost is minimum. So we have to find out the economic order quantity to minimize the inventory cost. Okay, to minimize the inventory cost. But only two type of costs are involved to find the economic order quantity, and to find out the economic order quantity we need annual demand. The straight line is carrying cost or holding cost. It is a straight line. Next, ordering cost per order get decreased when the order quantity increased. It should be noted that annual carrying cost equal to annual ordering cost. Okay, annual carrying cost equal to annual ordering cost if number of order is increased. If number of order per year increased, ordering cost also get increased, but carrying cost and order quantity decreased. Okay, carrying cost and order quantity decreased. Number of order increased, order cost only increased, but carrying cost and order quantity decreased. Order cost and holding cost are in always indirect. Okay, always in indirect proportion. If we can easily understand the concept, for particular demand D is equal to 1000 item. If one order per year, na 1000 item. Suppose two orders are placed in a year, so 500 items. 1000 by 2, 500 items. If 3 orders are placed, so 1000 by 3. Okay, 1000 by 3 items. So 1000 by 3 items. From this we can understand if number of orders per year increased, item per order get decreased. Okay, so number of order increased, item per order get decreased. Okay, it should clear. Next, we have to see the economic order quantity Q. economic order quantity Q equal to 2D C0 by CC, where CC is a carrying cost per item per year or holding cost per item per year, CC or H. Demand per year is in term of quantity, C0 ordering cost per order is in rupees, okay, in rupees. C0 is a direct one, but CC or H sometimes given in terms of rupees per item and holding cost, percentage of holding cost, S into I, H is equal to S into I, cost per item, S equal to cost per item, I is percentage of holding cost, so H equal to S into I or IS, H is equal to IS. Sometimes it may be given in terms of cost per item and percentage of holding cost, so IS. If 10% of holding cost, 10% holding cost in cost per item, so 0.1 S. If 10%, 0.1 S. 50%, 0.5 S. Okay, H is equal to I into S. One important formula is number of orders. After calculating economic order quantity, we can also easily find out the number of orders placed per year equal to demand per year divided by Q. Demand per year is D. Okay, demand per year D, number of item per year divided by Q, economic order quantity. Okay, it is very important one. Number of orders per year equal to demand D, okay, divided by Q, economic order quantity. After finding economic order quantity, we can easily find out the number of orders per year. It may be asked in 2 marks or direct formula maybe in 1 marks. ஸோ உங்களுக்கு வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தா சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ். கரெக்டாக அந்த எக்கனாமிக் ஆர்டர் குவான்டிட்டி அது வந்து எக்கனாமிக் ஆர்டர் குவான்டிட்டி வந்து இன்வென்ட்ரி ரெடியூஸ் பண்ண தான் யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். அது மாதிரி நம்பர் ஆஃப் ஆர்டர் இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆச்சுன்னா காஸ்ட் குறையுதா கூடுதா அப்படின்றத பாருங்கள். வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தா சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள்.